Updating and maintaining price lists, whether for products or services, is something that most companies expend a lot of effort on. Although price or stock data may be up to date within SAP Business One, getting this information into an easy-to-view format for customers or other members of staff can be very time-consuming. The following example task creates and uploads a price list containing stock information using TaskCentre for SAP Business One's web content publishing capability. This task is set to run on a regular schedule, and you can currently see the latest price list via our web browser. The top item on this list is currently priced at £415. In order to demonstrate the task, we can switch across to SAP Business One to update this price via the Item Master Data window. Now that we've located the correct item, we can update the selling price from its current value to £399. Now let's switch across to TaskCentre and run the task that will update the price list. Usually this task would run on a set schedule, but we can force it to run now for the purposes of this demonstration. Once the task is completed, we can load the design interface to show the task in more detail. The first step that fires the task is a schedule tool. This is currently set to run the task every day at 6 AM. However, you could change this for any day or time you require. You could even set this to run when an item price or stock count changes using the Business One event tool, so the price list is kept up to date in real time. The next step pulls all the relevant stock and price information into TaskCentre using the database query tool, and this raw data is formatted into a HTML document using the Format as HTML tool. The final step saves the HTML document locally into our website directory using the Save as File tool. You could of course use the FTP tool to upload the compiled price list to a remote site. We can now close the task design interface and switch across to our internet browser to view the updated price list. By refreshing the browser, we can see that the price list has been updated and the price for the top item has changed from £415 to £399, in line with the change we made from within SAP Business One. SAP Business One has no built-in functionality to create and upload fully compiled internet pages. By using TaskCentre, we can extend Business One's capabilities to enable HTML documents to be automatically created and distributed. Traditionally, an experienced programmer or web developer would be required to create this type of web content. TaskCentre not only eliminates this requirement, but also saves time and effort by automating this complex process, resulting in an up-to-date price list that is both relevant and useful.